Big Red Resilience and Wellbeing, a program on Nebraska's campus, offers services such as suicide, alcohol, and drug abuse prevention. There's also another department most aren't aware of.
The Husker Pantry offers a service to any student on the UNL campus, and we offer food security resources both within the campus itself and then also in the community at large.
The program started with the local nonprofit Produce from the Heart, which worked with farmers markets to recover and distribute unsold produce. But when Produce from the Heart folded, the garden took matters into their own hands.
So we just went straight to the food bank, knowing that there was a new one here on East Campus also, where we could maybe bring and just take that produce to them directly instead of having that middleman.
An average between 1,500 and 2,000 pounds of produce a year is donated by the Backyard Farmer Garden, making their partnership with the Husker Pantry a no-brainer.
We offer a ton of rice. We offer a lot of great vegetables, meats.
Most food banks and most food pantries, it's always shelf-stable food that they have there. And being able to have, fresh tomatoes and fresh peppers and those kinds of things are really important.
We offer a few hygiene staples as well, and snacks, snack items, and anything from just, individuals in dorms or families that need a little bit more food.
All Nebraska students are eligible just by being enrolled at the university and by filling out a simple form using their NUID. Orders are accommodated to the needs of each student.
So our current capacity and what we fill our bags is tailors to about a week based on family size, and students that need more are always able to access more food. They can shoot us an email or come see us.
So we really want to make sure that it stays in our community and it really helps those of us here. So being able now to make sure that it's going straight to the students really is really what we really wanted to do long term.
Many students face food insecurity at some point or another, so being a part of something so special means the world to Emily.
I feel really honored to be able to do this. I just enjoy it a lot, but I also think that a big part of the pantry as a resource is that destigmatizing it. There should be no concern about ever needing to access our resources. It's not something to be embarrassed or ashamed of.